Hello students, now let us do some problems in radioactivity. The first question is, determine the time in which a gram of radium will disintegrate to 0.2 gram if the half-life is 1620 years. So the formula we have known are lambda is equal to 0.6931 by T half. And the radioactive disintegration law n is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. And the given parameters are T half is given, T half is equal to 1620 years. And the initial mass of the sample is n0 is given as 1 gram. Is here given a gram, and present mass of the sample can be taken as n is equal to 0.2 gram. Mass and number of atoms are proportional, so instead of number of atoms we can take initial mass and present mass. So T half is given, so we can find the decay constant lambda is equal to 0.6931 divided by T half, that is 0.6931 by T half is 1620 years. So calculating we get 4.27 into 10 raised to minus 4, and the unit of T half is years, so unit of decay constant is per year or year inverse. So you have to remember that the unit of T half, if the unit of T half is years, then the unit of decay constant is year inverse, and if the unit of T half is minutes, the unit of decay constant is minute inverse. And using the relation n is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t, n we know, n0 we know, lambda we have find down, and now we have to calculate t. T is the time in which 1 gram of radium disintegrate to 0.2 gram. So substituting we get n is equal to, n is the number of atoms present at T. So the present mass of the sample is 0.2, that will be equal to initial mass of the sample is 1 gram into e raised to minus lambda, now you know, lambda into T. So remember that if the initial mass is in gram, then the final mass or the present mass should also be in gram. That is, the initial and present mass should be in the same unit. So rearranging we get e raised to lambda t is equal to 1 by 0.2, that is 5. And in order to remove e, we have to take log to the base e on both sides. That is, taking ln on both sides, we get lambda t is equal to ln 5, or t is equal to ln 5 by lambda. And substituting the value of ln 5 and lambda we have found out in the previous slide. It is 4.27 into 10 raised to minus 4 per year. So we get 3769 years. That is, 1 gram of radium disintegrate to 0.2 gram in 3769 years. Next question. The half-life of radon is 3.8 days. After how many days will only 1/20 of radon sample be left over? So the same formulas, lambda is equal to 0.6931 by t half, that is 0.6931 by t half is 3.8 days. So substituting we get 0.182 and the unit will be per day. Since t half is given in days, unit of decay constant will be day inverse or per day. And the formula is n is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. So what is n? N is the amount of sample at present. That is, the question is, the sample will be reduced to only 1/20th. So the number of atoms will be, n will be equal to n0 by 20. Since the number of atoms is reduced to 1/20th, n can be written as n0 by 20, that is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. n0 get cancelled. So 1 by 20 is equal to e raised to minus lambda t. So if we are inverting both sides, 20 is equal to e raised to lambda t, and taking logarithm on both sides, remember we are taking log to the base e, that is ln 20 is equal to, that is in calculator you have to press the tab ln 20 is equal to lambda t, or t is equal to ln 20 by lambda. So ln 20, its value is 2.995 and lambda we have found it 0.182. Substituting we get 16.46 days. So remember, if you are taking common logarithm, if you are taking log 20, you have to multiply it by 2.303. That is 2.303 log will be equal to ln. So if any of you are taking logarithm instead of ln, if you are taking log 20 here, you have to multiply it by 2.303. Or if you are taking ln, simply take ln 20. Another question, calculate the time required for 10% of a radioactive sample to disintegrate. Half-life is 1.4 into 10 raised to 10 years. So t half is given, so immediately you can find decay constant lambda as 0.6931 divided by t half, that is 0.6931 divided by t half is 1.4 into 10 raised to 10 years. So calculating we get 4.95 into 10 raised to minus 11 and unit will be per year. So here you can see the half-life period is very high, so the decay constant is very less. That is, it decays in, if the decay constant is very less, it will disintegrate taking a large time. And the equation is n is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. What is the present number of samples n? The question is 10% of the radioactive sample is disintegrated. So what will be left in the sample? Only 90% of the sample will be left in the sample. So number of samples is 90% of n0. So 90% of the samples will be left. So 90% you know it is 90 by 100, that is 0.9 and 0. So n is n0 n0 into 0.9, that is equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. n0 and n0 get cancelled, so we get 0.9 is equal to e raised to minus lambda t. So inverting, we get 1 by 0.9 is equal to e raised to minus lambda t. 1 by 0.9 is equal to 1.11, that is equal to e raised to minus lambda t. So we have inverted here, so this minus sign is not there, and taking logarithm on both sides, ln 1.11 is equal to lambda t. So t will be ln 1.11 divided by lambda. So substituting lambda we have already found, and substituting we get 2.12 into 10 raised to 9 years.